No in the bag, bitch.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a quick weave tutorial on some freshly washed, freshly blow-dried hair. As you can see, this is my braiding pattern. I'm doing a left side part, and I kind of just went for the braiding pattern, so it's nothing really professional, but yeah. Also, the hairstyle I'm going for is to be super natural looking and something that blends with my hair, so I will leave all the products that I used in the description box down below. Also, guys, this is my hair growth oil that I make from home. It's herbal infused, it's all organic, and it's very good for hair growth for the scalp. So if you're interested in this, I will be selling it soon. I'm not selling it just yet, but I'm preparing to make a website, so just stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram at applesweetpie. So to start, I am only using one wig cap throughout this process, just because it's a little bit more sturdy. Some people use two, but I just wanted to use one. I'm also using this to outline my leave out because I don't want to glue any tracks on the leave out area. So here I'm gonna go ahead and spray down my whole head with some Got To Be glue spray. This spray is really just to kind of protect my hair from the glue that I will be using. And I did go ahead, I sprayed 2 layers of Got To Be glue on my head before letting it dry. So the hair I'm using is from the Janet collection. This is only one bundle that I'm using just for the back, just to add some extra length to the hair. This hair was 30 inches, but I did not use all 30 inches. I ended up cutting a little bit of it at the end. Also, a lot of people ask me, should you double weft it? The answer is no. You should always use a single weft when you're doing a quick weave. So at this point, you're going to want to go ahead and start measuring the base of your hair. Every time you measure it, you just cut the piece that you measured, and also make sure you set the rest of the hair somewhere a little bit secure. And you're going to go ahead and apply the glue to the weft of the hair. You don't want to get the glue on the actual hair. So once you're happy with the positioning of your track, you're going to use the spray that I'm holding right there, and you are going to spray it down from end to end. And then you just repeat the process all over again. So it really helps to go from ear to ear as you apply the tracks until you get past your ears. That's when the tracks are going to start getting shorter. So again, you're going to go ahead and cut the track, and then you're going to go ahead and glue the weft, not the hair, on the track. So here's kind of a up close view of me gluing the weft so you guys can see. And honestly, it doesn't matter which side, as long as it's really kind of the flattest side on the track, that will work. And you're just gonna go from ear to ear until you get past your ears. So at this point, I'm kind of at this stopping area with using the Janet hair, and I'm gonna use the Kinky Perm from the Bobbi collection at this point, just so I can kind of even out the thickness of the hair, because I know I'm not gonna use that entire length of the 30 inches. At this point, I started using the Kinky Perm hair until I got around the top of the hair where my leave out will be. I did add another track, which you'll see a little further on in the video. But from this point, I started using the 18-inch Kinky Perm hair. This is when I start using the rest of the 30-inch hair. This is the only amount of track I had left of it, so I just used what I had left, and the rest of the way at the top is when I used the rest of the Kinky Perm hair. Because the tracks were so long, I decided to use the rest of this hair to glue them close together. So what you're seeing right now is me gluing the rest of the 30-inch hair close together. And then from that point, once I had finished using that bundle, I switched back over into the Kinky Perm hair. At this point, I am almost done. The only thing I needed to do left was add a couple of tracks to where I drew the white line earlier. That way the wig cap would be nicely secured down and I won't have to go in and do any sewing or anything like that. But I only ended up using one of the Kinky Perm packs of hair. I didn't even need both. And at this point, I am going ahead and cutting out the wig cap. So be very careful so you don't cut your hair. It kind of helped me to put my finger through it and kind of cut along the base and be really, really careful. But once I cut it, it's already glued down very well and very tight, so you don't have to worry about sewing it down or anything like that. You're going to want to use low heat, especially because this style, I made sure to use hair that kind of catered to a natural texture, so I didn't have to use too much heat in the first place. So I'm just taking out my braids, parting it so that the tracks are covered, and I'm using really low heat and only really passing through it at least once or twice. Now to finish off, I am using the Edge Booster Edge Control to lay down my edges, and really that is it. Once I finish doing my edges, I just tie it down with a scarf and I am done with the style. So you will see the rest and the way it turns out at the end. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I have so much more coming. Also, stay tuned for that hair growth oil. Thanks, guys.